Hello students, in this video we will be learning more about parallel lines, intersecting lines, and we will be giving you more concept about closed figure and open figure. These are few of the figures, few of the diagrams. This looks like a rectangle, and this one you are correct. This is a triangle. And what about this? This, have you fly what? What? It looks like a kite. Yes, it is a kite. And what about this? This is a rhombus. So, in my previous video, I made you understand about parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel line? When two lines are maintaining equal distances throughout. If AD is a line, then what is the parallel line of AD? Is there any line above AD? No. If any line below AD? Yes. What is the name of that line? The name of that line is BC. Is BC parallel to AD? Is BC maintaining equal distances throughout with AD? Yes. And what is the sign of parallel line? This. This is the sign of parallel line. You need to write 1, 1. Not 1. That's not 1, 1. You need to write this. Two lines you have to make, and this acts like a parallel line. This is the sign of, this is the symbol of parallel line. So, what is the parallel line of AD? BC. So BC's parallel line is AD. AD's parallel line is BC. And there is another line, AB. You tell me what is the parallel line of AB? Is there any line before AB? No. Is there any parallel line after AB? Is there any line after AB? Yes, DC. Is DC maintaining equal distances with AB? Yes, it is maintaining equal distances. So DC is parallel to AB. Now, you need to tell me what is the intersecting line. Intersecting line means what? If two lines are having one common point, they are intersecting each other. This is one line AB, BC is another line. What is the common point in between them? In AB, this is the common point. B is the common in between AB and BC. So AB is intersecting BC. AB is intersecting BC. They are having one common point. What is another common point in this one? AB and AD are having a common point. AB is intersecting AD. Same. What is intersecting of this BC? See, BC, they are having one common point with DC. What about CD? They are having one common point with AD. So these are the common points. So they are intersecting lines. If they are maintaining equal distances, that is parallel line. If they are having one common point, that is intersecting line. So you have come to know about parallel lines and intersecting line of this figure. What about this? In this figure, is there any parallel line? For parallel line, you need to have equal distances in between. This line is having equal distances with this? No. They are meeting each other at some point. They are meeting each other at some point. So they are not maintaining equal distances. So there is no parallel line in this. They are having intersecting lines. PQ intersecting line is what? I for intersecting, L for line. PQ's intersecting line is QR. Q is the point where PQ and Q are meeting. QP intersecting line is PR. At P, QP and PR are meeting. PR intersecting line is QR. They are meeting at point R. There is no parallel line in this. In the kite, I need to find out parallel lines. This line is parallel to this line. They are maintaining equal distances. Though I am not good in drawing, so forgive me if I am making any mistake. But this line is parallel to, actually this line is parallel to this one. And this line is parallel to this one. So MN is parallel to OP. MN is parallel to OP. And NO is parallel to MP. This line is parallel to this one. Now I need to find out intersecting line. MN. With respect to MN, this point, which line is joining? Which line is having common point with this N? NO. NO is having common point with MN. So N is the point. N is the point where MN and NO are meeting. So MN and NO are intersecting lines. With NO, at this point, OP is joining. OP is joining. So NO and OP are intersecting lines. With respect to OP, MP is joining. So OP and MP are intersecting lines. And with respect to MP, NM is joining. MP and NM are joining at point M. They are having one common point. So this is what? This is intersecting line. So NM and MP are intersecting lines. In this case, rhombus, I need to find out parallel lines and intersecting lines. Like the way I found out in this. You tell me, if I am taking QR, what is parallel to QR? Look at the opposite side. They are having equal distances, maintaining equal distances. So what are that? TS. QR opposite and parallel is TS. And QT parallel is RS. And what about intersecting lines? Intersecting where they are meeting. In parallel, they will never be meeting. In parallel lines, they will never be meeting. QT is never meeting with RS. But in intersecting lines, they are meeting. So QT meeting with what? With QR. Where do they get meet? They meet each other at point Q. QT is meeting QR at point Q. Same way, QR is meeting RS at point R. They are having one common point. RS meeting ST at point S. RS meeting ST at point S. And ST meeting QT at point T. ST meeting QT at point T. So these are the parallel lines and intersecting lines. This is the way we find out parallel lines and intersecting line. Now, what is closed figure? What is open figure? If an area is fully covered, in this case, nothing is open. This area is fully covered. So this is a closed figure. This is also a closed figure. In this case also, everything it is covered. This area is covered, totally covered. So this is closed figure. This one also closed figure. If I look at this, see, there is a gap in between. If I am making like this, there is no gap. there is no gap. So this is closed figure and this is open figure. This is the triangle, this is the closed figure. If I am making like this is open, there is the gap. If there is, you are finding any gap, that is open figure. That is open figure. If it is closed from all the sides, it is closed figure. If you are finding a single gap, that is open figure. I hope you have understood this. Thank you, beta.